Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Welcome to Shlok Learning with Peenal. Today we're gonna start the new chapter about learning the Mahalakshmi Stotram. Just a brief introduction. Mahalakshmi Stotram was written by Indra, God Indra, to offer or to seek blessings from Mahalakshmi. And we all know how important to have Krupa or blessings of Mahalakshmi on us. Okay, let's start learning. I'm gonna teach you today the first two shlokas. I will teach you word by word and very slowly. I am starting the first shloka. Indra uvacha नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. I'll break down the meaning. Namastestu Mahamaye. Namastestu, we all know. Mahamaye, who is the goddess of illusion. Namastestu Mahamaye, Shri Pithe Surapujitam, who sits on the Shri Pitham, which is the divine throne, which is worshipped by all devas and gods. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujitam Sankh Chakra Gada Haste. In her hand she holds conch, discus and the mace, Sankh Chakra and Gada, which is the symbols of her strength and protection. Sankh Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. I bow to you, Mahalakshmi. Please shower your blessings on all your kids. I'll repeat the first sloka so you can learn word by word. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujitam Sankh Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Moving on to the second sloka. Namastestu Garudarudhe Kolasur Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namastestu, as I said, we all know, Garudarudhe, who rides on the Garud, which is basically the vehicle of her travel, which is her vehicle, Garud. Namastestu Garudarudhe Kolasur Bhayankari, who creates the fear in the very powerful demon like Kolasur. So if we truly heartfelt giving our worship to Lord Ma or Goddess Ma Lakshmi, she will help us to fight all our fear and provide all the strength to us. Namastestu Garudarudhe Kolasur Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarva Papa Hare Devi means who takes all our sins away and protect us. Namaste Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. So we learned two shloka of this Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. The word itself suggests Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. That means it comprises of 8 shlokas. In this lesson we have learnt 2. I'll repeat 2 once again so you can watch and learn along with me. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujitam Sankh Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namastestu Garudarudhe Kolashur Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. I will make you learn the remaining 6 in the upcoming episodes. So keep watching. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe.